Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. So today I have a few packages that I want to open, and the first one will be this one I got just now, and let's see what's in it. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know this, but I got a new smoke detector. So it started going off, and I think this is why it needs a new battery. So I'm gonna check into it, but I think a new battery would do the trick. So I got a pack of two. These were $5, under $5. It was like $4.99. And these are the kind that you want to buy. I'm sorry, but I bought the other kind and they didn't quite work. These are the ones that are just for, especially like everybody recommends these for um, smoke detectors, smoke alarms, carbon monoxide detectors and alarms. It says Pixel. Okay, and then the next one is this little cute little it's cute. It's like shaped like a little candy. Okay. So this one is special because I tried this last time and I feel like I didn't see what it exactly it does because I keep injuring myself. But this time, this fall, you know what? I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna do what I can and not push it. And so I bought it again in orange so that way I can drink it in the morning and I won't even know it's gonna be part of my routine. It got gelatin, MSM, glucosamine, and chondroitin. You can see in the back right here it says hydrolyzed gelatin, bovine collagen, methylsulfonal methane, glucosamine sulfate, chondroitin sulfate. It's got vitamin C in it and 5 grams of protein. So this will help me a lot. And then, oh, and this I got on sale. I had a coupon. It was under $30. It was like $27 with coupon. So it was a fucking steal. This I recommend it if you're trying to get your joint health up and get more mobility, more ability. And this also has gelatin, collagen, right? Bovine collagen in it. So I mean it might help your skin, hair, and nails too. Support your flexibility. So here I have another one. And this one contains food as well and a restock. So my restock, I love what my 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 oral care stack, which is Amazon Basics whitening mouthwash and Colgate toothpaste. And then I bleach my teeth with, I'll show you. It's called Zero Glow. It's called Zero Glow teeth whitener. Let me see. I've been using this for quite a long time. And this I've been using for quite a long time. And together this with the toothpaste, I think is really, really key on keeping my teeth white. Everybody asks why I'm so easy to come on cam with white teeth. Like that's how easy it comes by. Um, this obviously is like $5, but it's worth it. My toothpaste costs more than most toothpaste, but it does the trick. If you want to stay on top of your um, tooth whitening game, you're not gonna have to spend buku buck, but you have to invest in that particular situation to where you're winning when it comes to tooth goal. So, it's like you can't expect something out of a dollar toothpaste when clearly the label don't say it's there. Um, and also, you know, if you want to go to those appointments, bleach your teeth, and you could risk burning your gums, you can also, you know, bleach your teeth too at the dental office. I don't know. My teeth stay white, so I kind of don't want to do that all the time, but maybe once in a while I'll go to the doctor and get my teeth bleached, but I haven't yet. So, I might, but you know what I'm saying? That's the whole point. I only spend so much money every so often in drugstore over the counter things and things you can purchase online, and you don't have to invest a whole bag just to get whiter smile, especially if you do go to the doctor, and this is how you stay on top of it. This was like $1. It's instant yeast, just to kind of mix up my food game, because I've been pushing pee, so I just kind of want to mix it up. So I got my hygiene. These are like $3 for 54 penny liners. And then here's the toothpaste that I buy. And this is called Visible White toothpaste. If I can get one of these stickers off. It actually has the tape on the top of the sticker. So that's cool. So here it is, called Visible White. It says starts whitening in 1 week. This is in sparkling mint flavor. So you can see right here, they're not playing. And this is gonna be probably my first time trying this particular one. I've been using Pro Series, and Pro Series comes in different flavors as well. So I'm gonna try this one. And then for another restock, another hygiene household supply, I got my toilet paper, which I always get the scented tube, either linen or fresh lavender. This one in particular is fresh lavender. This is about seven something dollars. And like I said before, I like my restroom to smell good, and I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of money to make it smell good. And I basically buy plugins, which are what, $3 a pack, and scented tube, and fragranted bleach, and it's like $2 for that. So I mean, it's just taking care of your space and making sure that you don't have to splurge, but you put a little bit of effort into it money wise, and spend your resources where you can make the best decisions and choices. And that's how I do it. I'm quite a bit of a girly girl, so you will find that I do put money into it, and that's what I do. I don't like a restroom smell. I like a lingering floral scent, and that's just me. So, you know what I'm saying? That's like me goals. Say what you want. I know everybody's gonna be a critic, like you can use that money for something else. Yes, I sure could. Yes, I sure could. You know, I could go buy donuts and cheeseburgers like everyone else. Let's be honest. We all could use burgers and cheeseburger donut buddy for other things. Iced coffee and whatever nonsense y'all buy, I don't say nothing. At least everybody benefits from what I do in my household. Okay, ginseng extract. This I was looking into this because I think when I was coming off an illness or this physical impairment, real bad one, when I was a kid, I remember taking ginseng. And yeah, I was just a kid when I was taking ginseng. And it makes me laugh because I was like going through my kung fu phase. So, anyways, like I don't think it's silly. I think I haven't grown out of that, but this is ginseng. Clearly, I'm taking it again. And this was $5, under $5. It was four something with a coupon, and it says it has 1,000 milligrams of ginseng. I thought it was a good steal. This is by Mono Herb, by the way. Oops. Oh, and this is a facial, and this facial got restorated. What happened here? I don't even know how it goes. I really don't know how it goes, but you know what I'm saying? It comes with a spatula, number one and number two that you put inside of the bowl and mix. So I mean, this was $3.99. It's usually like $20. It's called the Aqua Tea Tree Rubber Mask, and it has Scintilla Asiata, which calms down redness and inflammation. So I thought that was a really good deal for $3 since it's usually 20. So I picked it. I scooped it up. It just kind of fell apart, but I don't know. Maybe I'll tape it together. But I mean, I like my haul. I think it's really good. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. My Sunday front. Bye bye.